The dust ball was primarily because of improper management of soils. Humans did not want to give something back to soils. They only want to extract whatever they can from the soil. So they did not do the proper management practices. In scientific literature, it's called recommended management practices. Had farmers have adopted those kind of management practices, that episode would not have happened in US and any other parts of the world. We are now about 7 billion population. By 2100, we are going to be 12 billion population. And this whole population will need food, energy, security, water resources, and everything. In order to obtain that, we are practicing extractive soil management practices. And because of that, we are degrading our soils. If you take a handful of soil, it's not only mineral matter, it's not only solid. Half of that handful soil is water and air, and half of those solids that you will have in your hand is minerals and organic matter. Plus, there will be numerous microbes, and sometimes there will be other organisms such as earthworms, which are also integral part of soils. Together, all these combination of ingredients make a soil system, and from each soil system, we derive numerous ecosystem services because they function well. That's why scientists call soil as a living system. Argonne has a long history of conducting research in plant-soil microbe interactions. Some of the original contributions from Argonne comes to how we can build the degraded soils to its original conditions by studying the role of soil carbon as it impacts soil aggregation, formation, and stabilization. So in my presentation, I will basically start with the functions, what soils do for us, and then I will go to what Argonne has a history of research in conducting soil-related researches, and then I will focus on what I have been doing in my research, and at the end, I will try to make a case that soil deserve much more respect, much more appreciation, and I will try to convince my audience to understand that conserving soil is conserving humanity.